Hey there, so if your Ecozy Ice Maker is not working, what you can try to do is this. The first thing, and is like not making ice. So when the ice make is connecting to power and not making ice, press and hold the power button, the on and off, until the large and small indicator flash. Which means the ice maker enters a self-cleaning mode and it will automatically start cleaning. The process takes 20 minutes. This process can be determined by pressing the button power at any time. So this is the thing. So when the ice maker is connected to power, not making ice, press and hold the power button until the large and small indicator flash, which means the ice maker enters self-cleaning mode. It will automatically start cleaning. The process takes 20 minutes. I just wanted to make this quick video for you where you can have on and off button. And if this doesn't work out, what you can try to do, what you can do is just like turn it off completely for like 15-20 minutes and then plug it back in, and maybe it's going to also work. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.